are the tiny shulpers hiding in your garden? Can you guess which little bug wears a bright red coat with black spots? Let's find out together. Today, we will meet 3 friendly bugs who help our garden plants grow big and strong. First, here come the ants. Ants are very small and work together as a team. They carry bits of leaves and help keep the ground clean and healthy for plants to grow. Next, look at the ladybug. Ladybugs are bright red with black spots. They love to eat tiny bugs called aphids that can hurt plants. Ladybugs help plants stay healthy and happy. Now, let's meet a beetle. Beetles come in many colors and sizes. Some beetles help by eating old leaves and turning them into food for the soil. That helps plants grow tall and strong. Ants, ladybugs, and beetles are busy every day, making sure plants have what they need to grow. Did you guess who wears the red coat with black spots? It's the ladybug. Ladybugs are tiny, but they are wonderful helpers in the garden. Auto Shorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.